Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So from today we're gonna start the reaction for Jimin's second album MUSE. So today we're gonna check out two tracks at once. First track and second track of the album. First track is Rebirth intro and the second track is Interlude Showtime. So today we're gonna check out these two tracks together and other two later. So yeah, I'm really excited for this album. So without wasting any more time, let's go check it out. So yeah, put on my headphone. Let me bring it up to the full screen. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay.
If I'm trying to be special, can I get closer to you?
Wow.
느껴져 두근거림이 너의 손끝이 날 스쳐 지나갈 때 If I'm trying to be special, 너와 눈 맞추면 노래할 수 있게 I'll show you baby. Oh I didn't realize, oh I didn't think I cared. Oh my gosh it's not 숨겨 지지 않아 넌 나의 어둠 속 light like 태양이 비추는 vibe 살며시 번져가 That I want a real good love, good love, good love I'm trying to find that love, good love, real love 길을 가던 하루 종일 네 생각이 떠나가지 않아
I really like the chorus, like the carol. I really like the carol. The background. Wow.
하얀 구름이 스쳐가는 바람에 흩날리는 꽃잎이 우릴 기다린 것만 같아 저 문이 열리고 너와 가까워질 때 이 말을 전할게 I will be special for you special just for you for you I wanna be with you
That was really short. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's go and watch the interlude Showtime. Let me bring it up to the full screen. Okay, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is the intro, right? From the Smeralda Garden Marching Band. Yeah, that's the intro. Oh, that's why the third track is Smeralda Garden Marching Band. Okay, I got it. I got the connection.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's show. 소멸하고 가득 마치라.
Nice one. So that was my reaction for the Rebirth intro and Interlude Showtime. And now I know why they have put Interlude Showtime in as a second track, because it's the continuation from that is the third track, which is Meraldo Garden Marching Band. I really like that. But let me talk about the Rebirth intro. That was so sweet. That was so good. Jimmy's vocals are on another level for this album, or am I thinking wrong? Am I sensing wrong? Am I hearing wrong? What's going on? He's sounding really good, and the vocals, I think in this album he's singing in a high pitched tone. That's really hard to do, but he's doing a really good job. And since the album's name is MUSE, I think the center of this album concept is love, finding someone right for you. And I pray and really hope for all the BTS members find their right partners in the right time, so that they can be happy. And I really wish for them the best and the happiness and the health. And the song is really good. It's sounding so good. I just can't wait for his live performance. He's sounding really good. The song is good. I really like the melody. I really like it. So I'm really excited for the other tracks as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, do share, do comment, please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys wanna connect with me more, you guys can check out my social media accounts, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. There's a link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.